What is going on? So I'm here. This is my first unboxing and I'm kind of excited because I'm here in Miami at my mama's house, at my daddy's house, and I had the package rush delivered here because I waited till the last minute. But anyways, that's besides the point. So we got the box. Let's see what's inside the box. Of course, if you read the title, you know what's inside the box. But I mean, you know, it's like the suspense. You gotta build some suspense. I'm so excited. You don't understand. Like, I've saved up for this. It's not the most expensive thing, but it was a nice little ticket, you know. And I don't splurge on myself a lot. But being in the sport of scuba diving, we kind of have to splurge on ourselves sometimes. So this wasn't a have to. My nephew is loud. Hold on. I'll be right back. So since my birthday just passed, right? Whenever you're watching this, but my birthday just passed on December 10th. I figured, why not go ahead and treat myself. So, can we get like a drum roll? All right. I don't know if you've ever saved up like a nice little chunk of change, you know? And again, it's not super expensive, but it was expensive to me. But anyways, yeah. I finally have it. The Atmos Mission 2. So I think it's backwards because I'm new to this unboxing thing and I'm recording with the front facing camera instead of the back camera, which I know now I should do the other way. But so we're gonna keep going. But yeah, Atmos Mission 2. They had the Atmos Mission 1. I was watching it and a lot of people kept giving rave reviews about it, but there weren't many YouTube videos in English about it. Even the first language on here is not English. Like I don't even know what language that I don't know what language that is. But excuse my ashy hands. I just washed them. I'm gonna make a reminder to myself that whenever I make videos from now on to put lotion on before I do the video. But anyways, here we go. So this is the Atmos 2. And first thing we got when we open it up, here, let me angle it down a little bit. So first thing we got when we open it up is cardboard box. Nothing special there. Looks like, oh, warranty card there. And the watch. Oh, it's so sexy. It's so sexy. It's a nice weight. It's a really nice weight. So I was blessed and privileged enough to go to, not NABS, to go to, I can't think of the name of the doggone, the scuba convention. I can't think of the name of it. I'm here right now. I'm not there, I'm here. So yeah, so here we go. So this is the watch. So the watch is the first thing you pull out. It's pretty awesome. I'm not gonna take the little plastic thing off because I want to enjoy it. It seems like it came with a longer band. See? Yeah, this band seems a little longer. So like if you're wearing wetsuits, maybe a 5mm or a dry suit. Then we got the little insert thing. You don't need that. And we got the charger here. I can tell you already, I'm not really a fan of clamp type chargers, but it's cool. It's cool. It's a specialty item, so you know, it's all good. I don't expect it to be the most rugged charging thing ever. screen protector and watch band pins. Okay, so we got some screen protectors and some watch band pins. So I'm guessing, okay. So the watch band comes out. My hands are really ashy. So there's like a little hole on each side. I don't know if you can see that. A little hole right there. There's one on each side. I forgot what watch has this. I think Fossil has a watch band that's kind of like this. And then you just pull back the little pins and it slides back in place. So I'll probably be getting another band for this at some point. In the back, you have your sensor. I'm guessing that's your heart rate, your body temperature, maybe. I don't know. We'll find out. And screen protector. All right, so that's it. Pretty simple packaging. Cool. I didn't expect too much from it. So we got 100 meters, down to 100 meters, about 300 feet. Buzzer and vibration alarm, GPS location, dive log, e-compass. So we have a compass on the watch, which is awesome. And you could set headings, and I think it does like your entry point maybe, or yeah, something like that. Mobile app connection, awesome. So you could just like Bluetooth your dives to your phone after your dives, or like plan your dives from your phone, and then maybe sync it with the watch so that you don't have to sit there like pressing the buttons on the watch. But yeah, wrist-based heart rate, pretty cool, and multi-sport, so it does other sports, which is pretty awesome. Atmos app connection, so I gotta download an app, which is cool, and then download an app store. So awesome. So let's take this off because I want to take it off now. So let's see if we can get some ASMR. Oh, that was great. That was so good. Oh man, it's beautiful. It's very nice. I think it's crystal sapphire screen. Let's see, let's turn this sucker on. And it's on Atmos English. Yes. I haven't read, so this is the thing I've been hearing about this watch, right? And I'm finding it to be true. They say that it doesn't come with it really doesn't come with directions anywhere. There are no directions in this watch. But they say that the watch is so intuitive and user-friendly that you don't need directions. You can kind of just figure it out just by like punching around the watch. So that's what we're going to do. So we got, let's see, time setup. I'm gonna go with yes for 12 hours because that's how I get down. Time zone, we'll come back to that. Let's see, let's go. Time zone up. Okay, time zone down. Okay, oh, the vibration is nice. I can feel the vibration. It's like a haptic vibration. 12:12. I don't know what time it is. Anybody have a time? Nobody have time? Nope, no time. All right, we don't have time. All right, we'll skip that. We'll just, I think it's like 7. Let's see. I think it's like 8:19 right now where I'm at. All right, so press OK. The year and everything is set, which is pretty cool. Like, the screen is really bright. I saw one review and she was kind of like, well, the screen isn't what I expected it to be, this and that. And I'm just like, honestly? All right, and then it gives you an option to change the time there. I'm going to go with 8:19. Units, I'm going to go with Imperial because I am Americana. Male, that's what I am. That's what I identify with. It's going to be wearing on my left wrist. Be wearing on my left wrist, so I'm clicking the middle button. Sorry you can't see my face. I'm telling you, this is my first time doing this, and I was just so excited. I wanted to open it, but I didn't want to open it without y'all, so I wanted to bring you on this adventure. So that's why it looks real, like just like why is he doing it like this? Because this is just what happened. Next time I do an unboxing, I promise it will be more formal at a table or something rather, and the angles will be more voluptuously pleasing to the eye. All right. Year. It is not 1990. It is 2000. Oh, and that's nice because you could hold it and scroll it, so you don't have to click for everyone. So that's pretty dope. So 2023. Oh. 2000. Okay, maybe we got to do an update. It doesn't go to 2023. It goes back as far as 1930, 20. It goes back as far as 1920. But I can't get up to 2022. But that's cool. I'm guessing there's a firmware update that we'll do in the future here, in the near future. Oh, my birthday. So you gotta read. Reading is paramount. You gotta read, man. You gotta read, bro. All right, that's not my birthday. All right. All right, my birthday is definitely 19... ... Nah. All right, month 12. Enter 10. I'm loving the watch. I'm not gonna lie. As for my height, so I'm gonna put in my height 6'3". That's what my license says. Argue with your mama. Weight, I'm gonna put 193. I'm in the middle of this gym journey. If you haven't been watching me on Instagram and everything like that, I'm on this gym journey thing, and I think I got a goal in mind, and I'm pretty excited about it. I don't want to tell y'all just yet, but it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be freaking great. So weight, put in the weight. It said save, and there's the time, and it was sent with 32% battery. Pretty cool. So, okay. All right, so I gotta hook it up to the phone, but you can check your messages. I'm just clicking the up button. And okay, if I click the down button, okay, it'll say, so if I click the down button, it looks like it takes me right into the dive. My last dive, my surface interval, max depth and max time. Pretty cool information. My activity this week, so I'm guessing how much I was moving around, maybe. My steps, my calories, sunrise and sunset, that's pretty cool. Calibrate by moving watch. Okay, the compass indicator came up, so it says calibrate by moving watch in the motion shown below, which is one of those infinity motions. So I'm gonna move the watch around, and it said a big okay. And there is my compass. Pretty awesome. Pretty freaking awesome. All right, so I'm gonna keep clicking down. Okay, so that's it. So service interval, last dive, activity, steps, sunrise, sunset, and the compass. All right, is on the click. So let's see if I click okay. All right. So if I click okay, this is the part that I get excited about. I'm gonna click on scuba. It has ski and board. So ski and snowboard, swimming, biking, running, gauge mode, free dive mode, and scuba. Let's click on scuba. And it says ready, go. It's asking me to calibrate the compass again, maybe because I'm starting a dive. So it wants to make sure that it's calibrated for the dive. Settings. It really is intuitive. Like real talk. So if you could see that there, it says settings at the bottom. And I just clicked that, and it literally gave me my dive plans. Like I can plan my dive and everything. So, oh, this is cool. And then when you go to a screen, it'll say plan, back button right there. Your MOD, What you got? Decompression level, your air percentage. So if you're diving nitrox, which I will be when I go. When I go to Bonaire, I will be diving nitrox. So I'm pretty excited. I'm sorry. I'm like zoning out on this thing because I'm so like, yeah, this is dope. There is a manual online, which I will be reading because you don't want to dive a new computer and not know what the hell's going on. So, yeah. Tap time. Okay, so your alarms. Check SPG. Alarm 1. PPO2. Conservationism, that's pretty dope. Dive site. Nearby sites, my list, add. Okay, cool. So like you can log your dive sites. If you go somewhere, say it's not with a charter, you know what I'm saying? You can log your dive site, like actually put a marker in your computer. This is pretty nice. I think I'm gonna put it on now. Oh, wait, we have another thing to take off the back. There's another piece of plastic back here. We love taking off the plastic. Oh. Right. I'm super stoked, excited, and proud of myself. No bull. Like, no joke. And actually, the strap isn't super long. Some people are saying it's super long, but it's really not. And then you have the little 2 rubber things to keep it in place. I like it. And when I'm diving, I actually might wear it on the inside of my wrist. This is my first time with a dive watch, but I'm already seeing, I don't know. We'll see. Sometimes I dive like this. Sometimes I dive and I hold my cummerbund. I don't know if that's a no-no or bad form, but that's how I do it. That's how I get down. I'm super freaking stoked about this. This is super dope. Okay. Light on the side just in case. Okay. Pretty lit. Pretty lit. All right, guys. That's it for me. That's it for this Atmos Mission 2 dope watch. It looks dope. Looks real clean. Bezel is super clean. I'm going to put the screen protector on there now because I know me. And yeah, the band is comfortable. It really is comfortable. It's a nice rubber, really pliable. Seems pretty doable. It's nice and thick. And then the buckle is just like this brushed black situation here because I got the black on black. I was gonna get the black on gold, but I don't really wear yellow gold, so I didn't go that route. And I really like how it looks on my wrist. I'm a slim guy, but I thought it was gonna be kind of big because it is a pretty big face watch, but it looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty good. So make sure you like and subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can see when I come up with the next video, whether it be some music, whether it be some dives. Like I said, I'm going to Bonaire, so I'm definitely going to be dropping a few videos from there. Hopefully get some tips and tricks for y'all, for you folks looking to go to Bonaire and do some scuba diving. And I will be more than happy to answer any questions about scuba diving or about whatever. Drop them in the comments, and I might just drop a short and give you a shout out answering your question. Holla at your boy Low Key Vibe. Always remember, do what you got to do to get where you got to get. I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it. Be easy.